it's Lucas here. Mom's on the camera. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
And today, this is the first ever. This is the first ever unboxing video I have ever done on my whole channel. Sorry we haven't been YouTubing. Sorry we haven't been YouTubing lately, cause we've been really busy and with moving and stuff, and all that, and so yeah. So yeah. Now let's get to the video. Woohoo!